Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Lexus NX200t F-s maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, back, up, down, left, right, and the dotted button for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Every time you see this screen, go ahead and press back, and you're going to use the left or right to go find your page, which is here in the setting. Now when you get here, go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you see schedule maintenance. Enter on that. Scroll up, enter on yes. Now go ahead and go back. You also have to reset the oil maintenance. Enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.